Hello and welcome to lyra.com, and today I'm very pleased to introduce you to a new product that you can get exclusively now at lyra.com. Links as always in the description box below, and this amazing new device is called the Easy Quick Check, which combines EDS technology with bioresonance and laser in one very easy to understand and use package. You can use it with vials, you can use it with great software that is also available for the device. You can take it with you wherever you go. It's portable, battery driven, just a great new addition to our lineup of holistic testing and healing devices. And so without further ado, today's presentation is not only going to be about me talking about the features, but I'm going to show you in some short videos how to use the device, what comes in the scope of supply, and much more that you need to know. So let's start by answering the question, what is the Easy Quick Check? Well, the Easy Quick Check is a professional EAV, also known as EDS device, electrodermal screening, with an exceptionally high accuracy of measurements, and it's also, as the name already suggests, extremely easy to set up and operate, and I'm going to show you this in the videos shortly. It can be used with this XKit software that will make work a lot easier and gives you a lot of comprehensive information, as you will see also in the videos, and you can connect it of course to your PC. The software, for example, shows you graphically all the acupuncture points that you need to go through and measure, and records automatically, of course, all the measured values, and thereafter you can elaborate reliably a meridian diagnosis or prepare your own customized homeopathic remedies. And this amazing device comes with a lot of features that you cannot get in this combination anywhere else. You have a simple acupuncture point finder on the probe, so you will get an acoustic as well as a visual signal. The probe will light up green when you have found a point, and you also get a beeping sound that confirms that you found a point correctly. Each measurement takes only a very limited amount of time, only 750 milliseconds. Thereby it will save you time in general in your practice. You can test for incompatibilities to food, to allergens. You can test remedies and how well the patient reacts to them. And with a TPF function, you can also use native and homeopathic pre-prepared substances and find out if they would fit with your patient. You can also detect electrosmog fields using the regular probe, doing ear acupuncture. It's a very great all-rounder, which is very easy and simple to operate through its interface, and it's great for beginning or already experienced EAV or EDS users. You can connect it very easily via USB to your computer. It's powered by a USB cable or a battery, so you can take it with you wherever you go, on home visits, for example. With built-in professional sound card, you are also independent of the often average onboard cards on commercially available computers. It has an automatic measuring and storage function. Display and storage of the indicator drop in the form of a light bar, which makes it very easy to see the indicator drop. High vibration quality thanks to the built-in sample card, and it also comes with a light bar display with the classical classifications according to Dr. Voll. Conductivity measurement without a second cable is possible. You can adjust, of course, the volume, and unique to this device is also that you can transmit waves information, and you can choose between imprinting beaker and a modulated soft laser to transmit those informational waves that are beneficial for your patient. And the laser is a unique innovation that enhances the potency of the prepared remedies tremendously, and you can only find it in this device. And as I've mentioned already, you can also get a great X-Kits software for this device, for the easy quick check, and it will help you out greatly. It will show you all of the measurement points. It captures all of your measurement data, of course, automatically. And the sequence list that you also see graphically displayed in the software will help you greatly learn about the location of each acupuncture point and go through them as you need. Of course, you get the meaning explained of each point as well as the location in the software. You have the point representation on the hands and feet with a bone image also. You can do graph plotting of the results. You can print out the measured values as a bar chart, or if you want, you can sort it also by elements or by indicator drop or as a pie chart, so many options there. You get also, which is great, an automatic measurement control function. Sector measurement can be performed optionally with this software. Conductivity measurement, selection of the pre-recorded substance information is also possible, and it's a great way to learn also about the resonance test. And now, without me wanting to explain much more about this to you, because I think that's enough as an introduction, let's have a look together at the video that the inventor of this device prepared for us, and then we will have a look at how to use it. Hello and welcome. My name is Kurt Henning and I'm the CEO of the MBA GmbH, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the Easy Quick Check. My vision for the development of the Easy Quick Check was to create a device that offers you all the functions of a modern EDS device in an easy-to-use package that can be used even by an EDS beginner. My experience of over 25 years has taught me that the best solution is to combine EDS acupuncture diagnosis with bioenergetical therapy approaches such as bioresonance for information transmission and laser technology, which offers us many options for acupuncture therapy. So the vision was to create a device that combines EDS diagnosis with the most modern bioenergetical therapy approaches in a beginner-friendly package, which is fun and easy to use. The result of my vision is the Easy Quick Check. Let me introduce you to the accessories. Here you see the forehead electrode. Then we have the foot electrode, the body adapter, which connects all the units for sector measurement, the cup electrode with a special double cup, the holder for the measuring stylus, and here you see the laser. Here is the broadcasting cup for remedy imprinting through bioresonance, the body adapter for sector measurement, the forehead electrode for sector measurement, the holder for the measuring stylus, interchangeable measuring tips, the broadcasting cup for remedy imprinting through the laser, the foot electrodes for sector measurement, special broadcasting cup for remedy imprinting on impulse using the laser, the foot pedals for controlling the software hands-free, the device stand for the Easy Quick Check and all accessories, as well as the hard and software, as well as the honeycombs for measurement, treatment and remedy processing and refining, and much more. Next, let's have a look at how you use the Easy Quick Check to measure the acupuncture points according to Dr. Fall in a certain sequence that is also displayed by the software. This is how you test the think and control measurement points. We measure at a 90-degree as well as 45-degree angle depending on the point location, and the device will give us an acoustic as well as visual signal when the measurement is successfully completed. The green light on the measuring stylus indicates that a measuring point has been correctly detected, and when we have a point that is a projection zone, we get a permanent green light from the measuring stylus. As seen here. Here you see how easy it is to change the measuring tips. We just unscrew it and we can put on another one. Easy as that. Next, let's have a look at how we measure the points on the feet. Same procedure as with the hands. You can see the measuring sequence with the precise location of the measuring points illustrated on the screen of the software. And again, you get a visual as well as acoustic signal that indicates the correct point detection as well as a successful measurement. Here we can see how we perform a so-called quadrant measurement using the forehead electrode, the foot electrode, as well as the hand electrodes. The software takes care of the complete measuring sequence after the patient has been hooked up to all the electrodes. We again receive a real-time visualization as well as acoustic representation for our measurements, as you can see. Now let's have a look at how we perform laser acupuncture therapy. How we modulate the laser depending on the tested remedy. We just take the laser and point it to the selected acupunctural points, and the strength and intensity have been automatically adjusted to our needs by the software. We can also perform ear acupuncture with our laser. Measurement and treatment with the modulated laser light. As you can see here, first we measure as we did on the hands and feet, and then we can treat with the modulated laser light. And there we have it. This is how easy it is to use the Easy Quick Check. Hello and welcome. You have just purchased an Easy Quick Check or want to inform yourself about it. In this video, I will explain to you how it works. First, please check that your Easy Quick Check has arrived with all of the parts. The standard package consists of the Easy Quick Check device, 2 hand electrodes, a honeycomb, the measuring stylus with a cable, and the connection cable for the hand electrodes, as well as a battery charger and 4 rechargeable batteries. Next, I would like to show you how you connect the device and put it into operation. Always put 2 rechargeable batteries into the charger and pay attention to the indicated charging time, as the charger does not switch off automatically when full charge is achieved. Once fully charged, you can insert the batteries into the device. Remove the battery tray lid on the back side of the device and insert the batteries. Next, let's have a look at all the connection points of the device. On the front of the device, you have the connection points for the hand electrode and the measuring stylus. Here you see the connection port for the hand electrode. This is the port for the measuring stylus, and the red port is for the virtual signal to the hand electrode. Next, let's have a look at all of the connection ports on the back side of the device. On the left of the device we have the USB connection port to our PC. Next to it, the connection port for our modulated laser. Then the port for sector measurement. Next to it, the port for attaching our broadcasting cup. And on the right of the device, the port for the external honeycomb. Let's see how easy it is to connect everything. First, we connect the hand electrode just like that. Then the measuring stylus. Plug it into its port on the device, the red dot on top. Then we connect our device to our PC via the supplied USB cable. Easy like that. The modulated laser is next. We plug it into its port with the supplied cable. Pay attention that the red dot is again on top. It clicks into place. Then we connect the broadcasting cup. Plug it in like that. Connecting the external honeycomb is just as easy. We plug the cable into its dedicated port and then into the honeycomb itself. And there you have it. These are the connection points for the most important standard accessories as well as the scope of supply for the easy quick check.